I'm impressed, first of all, and I'm impressed in three dimensions. The first dimension is the team I've met here. I can feel a lot of passion for light. I can feel a lot of passion for good quality, for going the extra mile and make things happen. And this is something that impresses me, and I believe this is a major success factor. The second thing which impressed me is the level of quality we are working also in this manufacturing unit. I see a company which has understood that just doing assembly is probably not the solution, but really starting from die casting, engineering up the chain to finally the assembly. Quality management is impressive, and I believe this is a very important factor of success. The last part is for sure the quality we have seen also from the products. This will make it possible also to be successful in the Middle East.